Good morning! We're here in Gaisano Island Mall kay mag-renew ta sa ato ang visa sa pagstay na to diri sa Philippines. As you know, I'm not really a Filipina, so that's why mag-renew ko sa akong visa. Charot! Good morning! Ay, good morning mo! As you can see, it's too early, so medyo mingaw pa ang mall. Nasa mga Christmas decor. Alay! Nice, oy! Ganahan jud ko matanawan ni pamorag makahappy no, makakita tong mga Christmas decor. This one also chair nga katong massage chair. So we are now in the Bureau of Immigration, Mactan Satellite. Malinya na ta. So we are done there in Bureau of Immigration. Mahal na, 7,700 na ang visa for 2 months. So inana na siya kamahal, nagsige na sila increase. And doing videos inside is not allowed, so prohibited gid siya. So that's why wala taga video dito. Uy, naaptan dyan may ulan. Uy, it's raining. Uy, kusog kay ulan. So, mag-order na ta og food. Padung na ta. Nara ay. Ay, taagi. Bacon more. So, nag-order na tao farmer's breakfast. I want to show you ha kung unsa jud diri ang farmer's breakfast nila. Kung ano, sulit, busog ka. Diyan kay small Christmas diri sa Puang Kilid, oy. Here is now our order, the farmer's breakfast. See, overloaded guys. I love the bacon. This one. And look at the sausage, how big. When you bite, there's something pop. They have their condiments, beans. This one, the bread also, and they have also this one. And the coffee is also together with the food. We're done eating sa atong breakfast lunch. Breakfast lunch. Ay, busog na ang sawa. So, let's go na punta dito sa J-Mall. J-Mall ba ng sa may Puan? Sa may Mandaue ba? J-Mall. SM. Ambot lang. Basta we're going there. Mag-grocery ta ka dito. Actually, we're here in Ayala. Dito sa may IT Park ba? Dito sa may IT Park. Because we changed our mind. So, much better na po kay medyo dugay na sa tawa kabalik dito sa IT Park. No, magsuroy-suroy. So, I miss IT Park. Thank you. We're here again. Oh, I can't believe I'm here in Ayala IT Park. It's so nice. Long time na tawa ka balik diri ay. I want you to like a panhain. Oh, so cute. Night party. This is intended for the animals. Pwede na sa mga animals diri dalon, guys. Look at the view, so nice. Sir, naginusara lagi ka. Oh, di ba? Nice kayo diri. So nice. Isn't it amazing this place? Di ba? Nice kayo. Oh, medyo gimingaw ko diri sa IT Park. I miss this place, no? Grabe na gid ang iyahang improvement compare before katong diri pa ko nag-work, dili pa gid siya ingon ani kini diri space pa ni diri ground ari mi diri mag walking, especially me during the time because I was pregnant, so ari ko diri mag walking, and now he's coming with me. But oh, I really miss this place. I will no longer drink coffee because I'm done drinking 1 cup of coffee there in Bake and More, because coffee is included there in Bake and More. For the foods, it's already included, so that's why no more coffee, but still we will go inside the coffee shop. We will continue walking. I hope it will not rain yet, kay we will continue walking. Exercise ba? Para sa mga tuhod na to. what I observe. When we are walking, ma-refresh kita kung mag-walking ta. Especially, oh, hangin. Kunya, nindot sa atong surroundings. Feel na ko noon ako sa Manila. Nice good. Murag na siya the work dili akong friend. So we are done here in Ayala IT Park. Naka grocery na tag small things are good.